conclusion of tantric practices?
Well, with my husband, we have a daily practice and we don't focus on orgasm. So people say, how do you know when you're done? And we often say, would you like to take a break now? Are you
Mhm.
ready to take a break? Because we don't want to say, do you want to stop? Because we assume that we never stop making love.
Mhm.
So we say, would you like to take a break now? Or sometimes we'll set a timer because we only have 15 minutes.
Mhm.
So it's like a meditation practice where we'll have
Mhm.
a 15 minutes. And at the end of that, we make a gesture. We might do this.
Mhm.
We might we have a circular motion we might do with our hands, a
Mhm.
mudra,
Mhm.
and then we thank the other person.
Mhm.
I think this
Mhm.
is very important for thanking the other person for their presence, for showing up for you, for being loving towards you. Um, we all have quirks in our personalities where we can be quite unloving sometimes. And sometimes it feels quite amazing that this other person will show up and love you anyway. So this person will bring you affection to your body. So we thank each other. And it makes a nice ritual to close instead of just kind of falling asleep and snoring because we're done with the other person because we had an orgasm or didn't.
Mhm.
It's really an acknowledgement that this time together was sacred,
Mhm.
important to both of us, and very meaningful.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
I think couples can make up something that makes sense to them. But I think thanking the other person for this beautiful experience is always appreciated. When couples break up, one of the main reasons they say that their relationship didn't work is they didn't feel appreciated.
Mhm.
So I think if we can show appreciation for someone showing up for us in an intimate, loving way, it goes a long ways.